Got a business that needs a website? I created one for my agency with Wix. I'll show you how. First, go to Wix.com. Our agency is all about creativity. So we want our website to be as dynamic as we are. Now we're talking. This show reel helps us attract new clients, so we always keep it up to date. Looking good. Being an ad agency that can't advertise itself is not a good look. Luckily, Wix hooked us up with a personalized SEO plan to make sure that clients can find us on Google. We just won an award for some epic content. I'll share the news right now with an email marketing campaign. Add a new pic. Nice. I love it. Wow. It turned out great. Go to Wix.com. Create your own professional website today.